Hi, I'm gonna go over this bread knife with you. I use this to score my sourdough, and it has an excellent grip and a stable design, so it helps with carving precision. And the push-pull design of the blade makes this extra safe, and it comes with this one, and it also comes with 5 extra blades, and they're made of premium stainless steel, so you don't need to worry about them rusting, and they're very easy to clean. So you can clean your blades by taking the back off of the knife, and you can take the blade off, clean it there, and this is also where you exchange your blades as well. So you put this back on, and it has a great magnetic design, so for easy storing and for easy access. So I'm gonna go over to my fridge, stays there perfectly.